Hello, Sunshine! Welcome back to another style and story! So for today's video, it's just a realization in life. So I'm here at La Union right now. So it's been a while since nag-travel ako ng malayo. Like something like this. It's been a while. Like 2 years ago na. Normally yung mga travel ko lang ngayon is just like in Batangas with the family or in Rizal or in Cavite, staycation, something like that. But visiting the beach, it's been a while. So I just realized a lot of things. So I think it's 11:30. I just finished my activities. So nag-picture ako doon, nag-vlog. Watch nyo yung vlog ng La Union. DIY La Union Fit Baguio. I'll put the link below. So right now, later pala, punta na kami ng Baguio. So ngayon, today's video, we'll just talk about what I wanted to do in life. Yeah, kanina, nandun ako sa may dagat. Parang wala lang, nagpapakute, and then nagre-relax. And I just realized na this is what I wanted to do in life. I want to travel, I want to explore more, something like that, and learn from it. And you know, DIY traveler, I salute you. I mean, ang hirap. But even before, sobrang rare lang na kumuha kami ng travel tours. Normally, DIY talaga. So, ayun. Wala lang. I'm just happy today. Because, you know, parang yung soul ko, parang mas nabuhay ulit na, oh my gosh, parang I forgot that this is what myself wants, you know, just enjoy. If you can hear the sound of the beach, it's really nice. I mean, ang sarap sa feeling. And if you wanted to know where I'd stay, I think ang nagastos lang namin is 1K. No, I think 2,200 lang ata. So it has, maganda siya, tsaka mura. Aircon din yung room namin. Parang nipa hot din my room, something like that. So ayun. And then I just wanna remind myself again na be kind with yourself. Kayo din, maging mabait kayo sa sarili nyo. Ibigay nyo kung ano yung gusto ng sarili nyo. Though it's hard, sobrang gastos kapag nag-travel. But, you know, it gives us motivation to be good, na pagbutihan sa trabaho, na magsumuka, something like that. Kaya for whoever watching this, you know, if you still don't know what you want to do in life, just keep on searching for it. Just enjoy life, explore more, and then hanggang sa dumating yung time na you really know, or you will discover a lot of yourself, you will discover a lot in yourself. As we grow older, ang dami nating realize na ganito pala ako, kaya ko pala to, ayoko pala na to. And since right now, I mean, I'm 26 and getting 27, and I just wanted to enjoy life, less drama, and you know, learn and save. It's important then na mag-save kasi syempre, if this is the thing that I wanted to do in life, it's important na maging responsible ako sa finances ko. Kaya ayun. So guys, that's all. It's just a little kwento and just a little drama. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link here, Awesome Julie, and my Facebook page. So that's all. Thank you again for watching this a little kwento, that what I really wanted to do in life. So that's all.